Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Peri Peri Chicken. Now, this is a very special episode because it is my birthday. So, as it's my birthday, I don't know how you can give me a gift, but I've got a suggestion to you guys. One of the gifts is that please start by liking this video and also comment below your birthday wishes towards me by saying happy birthday, Don Imran. If you say that, that would be such an amazing gift, especially with these COVID times when you can't really go outside and stuff like that, meet, your loved ones and whatnot. But if you guys do that, what a present that would be. Now, because it's my birthday, my family, they surprised me with extra hot Peri Peri Chicken, which is absolutely my favorite. Whenever I go to places like Nando's and there's other branches that are kind of similar in the sense that they make this type of cuisine, I was like, this is amazing because I'll always choose the extra hot version. So for you spice chili lovers, you are in for a treat. Obviously, if you guys are not into chili loving, then you can obviously just omit the chili. So we've got the peri peri platter over here. So we've got the peri peri chicken, obviously, the peri peri rice, and just bear in mind, peri peri stands for chili, or as they say in Swahili in East Africa, which is Pili Pili, which is chili. So that's what we got: peri peri rice, peri peri chicken. We got some coleslaw over here. We got some sweet potato fries, and we have some peri peri sauce over here as well, which is extra hot. A wonderful platter. I can't wait to finish this video and then just dig in because it's there for a while, and I'm like, oh man, this is worth having. But I've got to actually get through this video first. Now let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this extra hot peri peri chicken, which is just marvelous just upon looking at it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to taste it and let you guys know how I found it. Especially it's my birthday, so I want you guys to see my reaction. So let's do this. And if you haven't liked this video already, please like this video. Remember, that's going to be a present for me. If you want to give me a second present, comment on the video below, happy birthday, Don Imran. Okay, so I've got my rice, the rice coleslaw. It's got some sweet potato chips and also the peri peri chicken. Goes without saying. Now, this peri peri chicken, very tender, and it just separates so nicely, so smoothly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dip it into the peri peri sauce over here. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. What? That is a thunderbolt. That is lightning striking, not just twice, not just 3 times, 10 times, 100 times within your taste buds. That is absolutely sensational. Where do these dishes come from? Who are responsible for making these dishes? Absolutely wonderful. This is revolutionary. This food is just marvelous. That sauce, oh my days. You gotta go ahead and make that sauce. I've never had a sauce that is that potent in so many ways. It's so delicious. It is really hot. Obviously, for you non-chili lovers, you can obviously omit that, but for you chili lovers, you are in for a treat. You know, like, it's as though you're mixing all the exotic lands together and you merged every goodness of those lands that was scattered. You merged it together. You ended up on an island. You found all the best peppers that are possible in the world, that is elite. And then you chopped it up, you mixed it up, and you made a sauce out of it, and that sauce is over here. And the chicken itself, very tender, very spicy. You dip it in the sauce, exceptional, exquisite. This is marvelous. This is Don Imran.Family Kitchen. I am speechless, even though I've spoken a lot. So, this is probably the best thing I've had. Definitely this year, because it's only been about 7 days. On the day of recording, this is 7th of January, my birthday. This is the best dish of this year for me, and maybe of the last 6 months. I've really enjoyed this, and it's so befitting that it's on this day as well. Like my family, thanks to them for actually making this for me. So definitely the top 3 dishes that's ever been made on this channel. I really want you guys to go ahead and make this. I'm gonna actually write a blog post as well. So if you guys are not also aware, I haven't had the opportunity to tell you guys, but we have a website as well now, which is www.donimranfamilykitchen.com. On there, you can find our recipes where we write the recipes in detail, because sometimes we do have a lot of videos where I don't come and speak, and these are visual videos, so I've got them in written format. So you can always, if you prefer that, there's a lot of people who prefer to read recipes out, you can go onto our website donimranfamilykitchen.com, and you can look at various different recipes. Obviously it hasn't got all our recipes yet because I've just started it, but I'm going to definitely do one of this one, and I want you guys to benefit from that. So do go ahead and make this. I highly recommend it. Also tell us how you do if you do try this out. And with that, do like this video. Remember, like this video not just for the sake of it, but because it's my birthday. So all types of kindness is welcome over here. And also please comment below. And if you want to give me a third birthday present, or like the top birthday present, please subscribe to our channel, Don Imran.Family Kitchen, and also hit the notifications bell icon so that you are informed of our regular releases during the week. Sometimes you can be subscribing to us, but if you don't have the notifications bell icon, you may go weeks and months without even knowing that we've uploaded anything, even though we upload very frequently. So do that if you want to just be aware of like our videos. And with that said, catch you in the next one.